Question number 1. What is English?
English is a widely spoken language used for communication, business, and education.
Question number 2. Why should I learn English?
Learning English can open up many opportunities, including better job prospects and easier communication with people around the world.
Question number 3. How can I start learning English?
Begin with basic vocabulary and grammar. You can use textbooks, online courses, or language learning apps.
Question number 4. How do I improve my English pronunciation?
Practice speaking and listening to native speakers. Mimic their pronunciation and use language learning apps for speech recognition.
Question number 5. What are common English greetings?
Hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening are common greetings.
Question number 6. How do I build my English vocabulary?
Read books, watch movies, and use flashcards or vocabulary apps to learn new words.
Question number 7. How can I improve my English writing skills?
Practice writing essays, emails, and journal entries. Get feedback from teachers or native speakers.
Question number 8. How can I practice my listening skills in English?
Listen to English podcasts, watch English TV shows or movies, and try to understand different accents.
Question number 9. What's the best way to overcome English language barriers and gain fluency?
Consistent practice and immersion in English-speaking environments will help you become more fluent and confident.
Question number 10. How can I become fluent in English?
Fluency comes with practice. Engage in regular conversations, read English books, and watch English media to improve your fluency.
Question number 12. What role does vocabulary play in becoming fluent?
A rich vocabulary is essential for fluency. Continuously expand your vocabulary to express yourself more effectively.
Question number 13. How can I become a more effective English reader?
Read a wide range of materials, from newspapers to literature, and pay attention to context to understand unfamiliar words.
Question number 14. How do I overcome the fear of making mistakes when speaking English?
Understand that mistakes are part of the learning process. Embrace them as opportunities for improvement.
Question number 15. What is writing?
Writing is the process of expressing thoughts, ideas, or information through text, symbols, or characters on a surface, such as paper or a digital screen.
Question number 16. Why is writing important?
Writing is important because it allows us to communicate complex ideas, record information, and share knowledge. It is a crucial skill in education and many professions.
Question number 17. What is reading?
Reading is the act of interpreting written or printed text to understand and extract meaning from the words and symbols on a page or screen.
Question number 18. Why is reading important?
Reading is essential for gaining knowledge, improving language skills, and accessing a wide range of information, from books and articles to online content.
Question number 19. What is listening?
Listening is the act of paying attention to and comprehending spoken words, sounds, or information conveyed through audio sources.
Question number 20. Why is listening important?
Listening is vital for effective communication, learning, and understanding the world around us. It's a fundamental skill in interpersonal relationships and professional contexts.
Question number 21. What is speaking?
Speaking is the act of using verbal communication to convey thoughts, ideas, and information to others through spoken words and vocalization.
Question number 22. Why is speaking important?
Speaking is crucial for expressing oneself, participating in conversations, giving presentations, and collaborating with others. It's a key component of effective communication.